Good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna be continuing the lectures I taught the other day. That is price action, right? How to use smart money concept, you understand? To study your price action, or having the concept in mind to with the concepts, you understand what you are looking out for. Basically, this is really like a part two, because I've done the part one of the video. I explained much on that video, you understand, so do well to actually watch it, you understand. So today I'm going to be showing you guys, basically I'll be using Euro USD, right? And believe me, this trade was dropped on our Telegram VIP channel, that is under FX VIP, right? This was Euro USD sell. Okay, Euro USD sell, and believe me, after this sell there is a buy from here also, but like I want to take this buy during New York session. Even if the price goes up right now, you understand, I'll just wait for a retracement back to actually enter the buy. But this sell was actually took it, like I took these sales right on Euro US. So I'll be showing you guys how I actually was framed, or the framework of this trade, what I was looking out for, what I actually wanted to do. Basically, overall, you understand, overall in Euro USD, we're on a downtrend. Let me use this. We're in a downtrend, even from the daily structure, like going from the top, you can see that we're in a massive downtrend up the way top from here down. So when you're in a downtrend, you just want to look for pullback higher that did not actually break structure, right? That did not break structure, then you actually keep selling lower. But believe me, dropping down to the 4-hourly, you see that price has actually broke higher, right? Price actually broke higher, then pulling back down now. It's ideal you look for buys, but I don't want to take these buys because I can see it's coming lower here. You understand? I was actually waiting for the, like, anything the markets provide during the New York session, that is 1:30 GMT, then I'll be looking for buy, because my bias today is buys, right? Yesterday FOMC literally push the market lower, you understand. So but no, it took it up actually. Then this is the retracement now. So after this retracement, I expect a higher price. Okay, and the last month low, you can see the last monthly low should be your target. Actually, this is my target. Last month's lows. If I go over to the monthly time frame, you definitely see what I'm talking about. Let me go to the monthly time frame so that I'll show you guys what I'm actually talking about. Okay, so you can see the last this basically structural low, you understand, monthly structural low from here, you understand. Price broke down, but believe me, if we keep sinking lower, if we know, I want to see a break here and a retest, then I know that we can actually move upwards, right? But if we fail to break this, you know that price is definitely going lower to 0.9, okay, or 96 or so. So that is just that for Euro USD, I mean. But looking at the dollar index as confluence, I can see that the dollar is actually moving lower, you understand. Dollar index, this is my monthly point of interest. Dollar index actually reached my monthly point of interest, and I'm seeing a rejection currently on dollar index. So it's just meaning bearish on US dollar, you understand. Like, I'm bearish, so me being bearish on US dollar means that I'm gonna be bullish on Euro USD. So that is why I'm actually looking for buys, literally, you understand. So basically, all these updates, I do drop them in my Telegram channel, you understand. I do drop them in my Telegram channel, and I don't really want to take this buy, but I know it's a buy currently, right? But I'm not taking it now. I will take it later, because like I say, a bit busy currently. And okay, let me go over to my Telegram. Guys, this is my Telegram, right? So let me move over to our this thing. As you can see, today I dropped today's fundamentals. Basically, when volatility will be coming in the market is 1:30 New York section, that is New York open, right? So you can see over here, I dropped this analysis when it haven't started yet. You can see when they said it was actually try, and I took partial profits here, you understand. Then I showed them I'm actually doing a $1 account challenge, right? And the $1 account now is basically $5. Now I will do a separate video on that, so just do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to join our normal Telegram, you can see where TP was smashed over here. So, and if you want to join our Telegram, do well to join this our Telegram channel. Yeah, I drop updates here also, signals, my own view, everything, you understand. the way they look at this yesterday USD card sell on FOMC meeting. So we took this trade also. So do well to actually join. You can see profit. This is actually my student, one of our students, but now it's, I believe is a pro on his own currently. You understand? So do well to join. The link is down at the video description. So do well to join. So let me go back to trading view right now to show you guys the total framework of my Euro USD trade. So how did I take this trade? How did I see this setup? So from the daily time frame, yesterday was actually FOMC meeting causing the bullish closure, right? And you can see there is a clear rejection right here. So once you see a break here, wait for a retest, you can keep buying forward. You understand? You don't really have to chase the buys from here. No, it can still go lower before going up. You understand? So this overall, this daily time frame. So all these things I'm saying takes longer to happen. So on the daily time frame, look at the daily candle. When I saw it, New York open, price was around this area. You understand? Price was around this area. So I know that yes, price is definitely gonna what, at least go half of this candle, this daily impulse, then keep going up. So with that in mind, I can see that price has actually what, taken out half of the candle. Like this is not basically what overall what I'm looking out for, but you just have to have in mind that something like this could happen, right, for the bullish, because you don't expect price to like keep moving up and up and up. So this is half. Okay, let me change the color to yellow. So let's use yellow. This is half of the daily time. So dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price definitely was tested half of yesterday's movement, now trying to push up forward. So because my bias today is bullish, right, seeing this because my bias today is bullish, okay, seeing price coming down to test here should give me more confidence to go up, because my bias is what, bullish. But if my bias was bearish, I will just keep holding myself, targeting the liquidity pull up. But I can't target lower because why? You can see price came down here, moved up, balanced it, then pushed up. It didn't quite break structure perfectly. It didn't break structure higher perfectly, then it started coming down. So you should also have that in mind, that yes, price can decide to also go lower to sweep out all these lows. You understand? But overall, I don't really think that is really what we have in mind. And as you can see, the market is literally ranging. It's ranging, as you can see, ranging, bouncing from the support, you can call it support, to the resistance, right? So but it doesn't matter, this takes long to happen, but I know that there will be a, like there is a buy that will definitely come. If it's a 20 to 40 pips or 50 pips trade, you close and you're done for the day, right? So you can see this is a sweet test. So anyone that is buying here is great. Like if you actually bought from this, my buy this thing, you're actually 12 pips up in profits currently. You understand? 12 pips up in profits currently. And remember, this created a massive imbalance. So even if it's gonna go lower, you expect price to go up here, then sell lower. You understand? So taking profits around up here is still ideal. Then this white line is my 1.200 psychological level. Like there are many things to have in mind. You understand, why taking or observing a currency pair market. So if you actually want to learn more, do well to follow me on my Instagram, Twitter. You can contact me on WhatsApp if you want to join our VIP mentorship. Okay. So basically I don't really know, dropping down to the 15 minutes and everything is more clear. You understand? You can see Asian section, market range during the Asian session. Try to take out people that were actually trying to sell, their stop losses then dropped, went up again. This is a confirmation entry, you enter. You understand? But where did I take my first profit? I took my first profit, half of this move over here. When the price did this, I took out profits. It went up. I could have actually stacked more trades for it to go lower. You understand? But using calculated risk also matters. So I'm gonna remove this yellow line because I have all these things in my head. You don't really have to, necessary to put all these lines and everything in your chart. If you understand the market, you don't really need all those lines and details. It's cool, but like it's not really that necessary. You understand? If you have actually mastered or focused on one pay, because basically I don't really trade months. You understand? So going over to USD card. Okay, this sorry USD card. So USD card, nothing much. I'm actually expecting price to go lower. You understand? This test here, because dollar index, everything, my bias is bearish, but Lately USD CAD has not really been going as planned, but it's actually cool. It's cool. Then talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is literally pushing higher these days. Let me go back to the 1 hour time frame. So this is BTC on the 1 hour time frame. We took this sell. If you check my trading view, I literally posted the sell trade from up here, took this sell from here down here, then it actually went off a buy. But I'm seeing another sell on BTC, but I don't really think. I'm just watching for now. So on NAS 100 overall analysis on NAS 100. This is from the 1 hour time frame, right? So from the 1 hour time frame, you can see like price is still having a rejection. So let's see it from the daily first. So NAS 100 from the daily, it hasn't really broke structure higher, right? I want to see price break higher, retest, then you can see enter for your buy upward. But currently, if that does not happen, I see a sell-off down here, maybe to fill this impulsive candle on the daily. So that is that for now. Please subscribe, like, and share this YouTube video. Thanks. Bye bye.